A unanimous decision from the Board of Pharmacy today on the future of medical marijuana in Iowa. The Iowa Board of Pharmacy took the first step today toward legalizing marijuana for medical purposes.
The board voted unanimously to recommend that lawmakers change the way marijuana is classified in Iowa. Channel 13's Elizabeth Kling has more on the decision. The story is new tonight at 5.
Motion carries.
The unanimous approval Wednesday brought a round of applause from advocates of medical marijuana.
I have multiple sclerosis, and you may look at me and think, well, this guy doesn't really look that sick or whatever, but, you know, I'm able to maintain my health because I use marijuana.
Until today, marijuana has been classified as a Schedule I drug in Iowa, considered to have no medical value. But after months of research and public hearings, pharmacy officials agreed it's time for a change.
In order to be able to further the possibility of using medical marijuana in Iowa, that's what we wanted to do, was get it out of that C1 class.
The board is recommending the legislature classify marijuana as a Schedule II drug, meaning there is a risk for abuse, but also the potential for benefit.
The human response is to try and help people, and the human response has to be weighed against the legal ramifications.
Medical marijuana is already legal in 14 other states, but board members seem to agree that none of those states have gotten the policies quite right.
I think among the biggest concerns is could be fraught with abuse.
To avoid that, their recommendation came with a requirement. The board is asking lawmakers to form a special committee that would create specific rules about how medical marijuana can be used.
Our idea is to get input from everybody out there that's going to be involved in the process.
The task force, they say, should include everyone from hospice workers to the Attorney General. A collaborative effort board members hope will safely open the door to important research.
People could actually start legitimately looking at it without the fear of reprisals.
In Des Moines, Elizabeth Kling, Channel 13 News.
The Iowa Board of Pharmacy is now the first in the nation to make such a move on medical marijuana, but it's unlikely lawmakers will have time to address it this session.